Hey everybody, welcome back to Our Gold Road. I'd like to introduce you to Goldie. This is our OG chicken. Today's video, we're gonna be doing some Bumblefoot surgery because she's been hobbling around. Whoa. So let's get to it. Let's get to it. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification button if you want to see any of our upcoming videos. Plus, if you found anything helpful in this video, we'd really like if you give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear with you and chat with you and learn more from you. Now, let's go see how good of a doctor I can be. Our chicken has bumblefoot. I've never heard of that before, but apparently that's an infection in their foot. Staph infection in their foot, and we have to cut it out. So we're gonna go get the chicken and try this chicken surgery for the first time.
Goldie, don't make me crawl in there. I mean, is she better?
I don't know, let her walk around. Touch her, see if she fumbles.
That definitely is not good. She doesn't want to move. So I guess her foot still hurts. Yep, okay. All right, okay. Ah! This is my favorite chicken we have right now. Okay. I mean, kinda.
So what we're gonna be doing is cutting that little infected piece off right there. That little black piece is our goal. See how this goes.
Do we have earplugs for me?
Earplugs? I don't think she's gonna want.
I'm gonna need. She's gonna cry, and I don't want her to be hurt.
I think she's gonna be fine.
Whoa!
You have to hold her wings.
I'm doing it. I'm doing it. I'm doing it.
You have to like hug the chicken.
I have to hug her. Hug the chicken. Oh. Did she just poop on me? Okay, how do you want me to hold her?
It's my first time.
Oh goodness. I can't look.
You sure we want to do this?
Yes. Get it out of her. Is it coming off?
Yeah. It's starting to bleed. Are you getting nervous? Is that what's going on?
I mean, I'm a little nervous, yes. I think I'm more freaked out than my chicken. Do you need a finer blade?
I'm trying to figure out what to do. I don't know exactly what to cut here. I mean, I know what to cut, sort of, but...
Can you cut that piece off?
I'm cutting it.
Do you need tweezers? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm not trying to freak you out.
Freaked out. I'm trying to figure this out.
Has anything come out?
I got that black scab off, but I haven't gotten that thing out like that lead guy.
Okay, well, can we blot it and see how it looks then? Was there anything in the black scab?
Just come off the black scab off the top. It wasn't anything white like they were showing. The infection. So I don't know if I got it out or if it's...
What is that thing right there? Oh, there's something white in there. Is that bone or is that?
It's not bone.
get it out, babe. Does it just come off? Not like so. Not YouTube didn't make it look so easy. YouTube, you lied. It's not coming out like that, huh?
That looks like what I'm supposed to be getting out right here.
Is it? Does it feel different than the rest of her flesh? Does it feel hard? Or does it just feel like flesh?
All of it? Maybe the black thing was it?
Maybe. I mean, it doesn't look that white now, and it just looks like flesh. Don't wrap it too tight or it cuts off your circulation. Did our best.